Getting jacked will make me millions of dollars, and here's why. I started taking my fitness journey seriously at the beginning of this year. I started going to the gym 6 times a week. Now I go about 5 times a week, and I can assure you, and I'm 100% confident, that this is one of the biggest things that will have an impact on me becoming a multimillionaire within a short period of time. The reason why I believe this with all of my heart is because if you do want to get in shape as soon as possible, you have to optimize your whole life. You have to optimize your nutrition, your steps, track your food, track your macros, track the amount of water that you drink every single day, track your sleep. That's why I'm wearing this right here, is because I'm optimizing my whole lifestyle, and that also bleeds into business, and it can bleed into whatever you're doing. If you're doing high ticket sales, if you're in school, college, grinding to be a lawyer, it doesn't matter. Optimizing your whole lifestyle around fitness is one of the best things that has ever happened to me in my life. Going to the gym and pushing yourself multiple times a week, pushing till failure, thinking that you can't anymore and you still do it, breeds a level of discipline that no other thing could ever do for you. And that's why, if not for the gym, I would have quit e-commerce and entrepreneurship a long time ago, because I was just not familiar with failing so often. I was all the way in my comfort zone. I was doing comfortable shit all day, laying around in bed, looking at my phone, and me getting myself out there to the gym, pushing till failure, being super uncomfortable is the hardest thing that a human can do. So me knowing that I'm going to go to the gym and that will be the hardest thing I do, sitting in front of the computer and testing products. I do e-commerce. I'm an e-commerce entrepreneur. I do drop shipping. So I test a lot of products and a lot of them fail. So at the beginning, especially when I was testing a lot of products, failure after failure after failure, and I was just not fazed by it at all, because I knew that I completed the hardest task of the day, which is going to the gym, pushing myself physically, and that just put me in a completely different mindset. And also, as time goes on, I started optimizing my whole routine, tracking my food, getting disciplined even more. I go on a walk every single day for 45 minutes to get the amount of steps that I need to get so I can maintain low body fat. So just me knowing that after this workout, everything else is going to be super easy. It doesn't matter if I spend $50 on Facebook ads and they fail. If I spend 100, spend 200, it doesn't matter, because I already completed the hardest thing that anybody could do. Whenever you do decide to start optimizing for maximum gains, you're also going to experience maximum gains in all other areas in your life. For example, with sleep, I've struggled with getting up and waking up early for so long until I got this motivation that I can't be going to bed late. I need to get the right amount of sleep. I need to wake up early, and I need to be disciplined in order to gain. So that's why I decided to purchase this device as well, that will further help me optimize my whole sleeping cycle and make sure that I am operating at a whole different level, not drinking, not watching stupid websites, not doing and not indulging in pleasurable activities, searching, scrolling on TikTok, sitting on YouTube all day. It just, your life and doing those tasks become so much easier. So this now also bleeds into getting money. It also bleeds into your mental health. You're pushing yourself in the gym. If you're depressed, I think the best medication is working out, pushing yourself physically. You're not going to have enough energy to even wonder about all those bad things. You're going to find that doing the hard task just becomes so much easier. And at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to: discipline. Without it, I am nothing. And that's why every single day I try to be more deeply rooted within my habits, because I know that my daily schedule and my daily routine is going to breed the results that I'm looking for. And I'm an ambitious person. I always set ambitious goals for myself. So if you can relate to that, then the number one thing is discipline, and getting jacked, getting in shape is going to bring that amount of discipline into your life. So just a little short video, completely out of the ordinary. I usually make videos only on dropshipping and e-commerce. So if you fuck with this type of video, let me know in the comments down below. For now, I'll see you tomorrow. New video every single weekday until further notice.